Okay, it is saying it has not been enabled. So I'll go back. This is the platform. Oh, okay. So I was looking for this one. So I see that this has already been there. So it should allow me to connect to the target system. I will try one more time and we'll see what message it does give me. Okay, I was not, maybe probably it was some issue at that moment. Some glitches has happened. So whatever I had to verify, I already verified that. And Unix 14 is the account. Okay. This account, I'm trying to log in into the PVWA or not PSMP server. That's the only reason it is giving me this error. So this account is not logged in. I'll onboard the another account. Just hop me in. I'll select the same Unix. I'll admin. Oh. Unix SSH. I'll use this of Linux. I'll use the same 192.168.20.35. Proxy MNG is the account. Password is again same for me. I will simply click on the add. It will add the account. I'll show you why it did not work. Just allow me a minute. Okay. I'm not sure why it's not working now. Okay, no issues. We will go into the some troubleshooting also. Some level of troubleshooting can happen. Oh, is server up? Okay, I recalled. I have entered the wrong password. So password is different. So I'll change the password for this account. That is the reason it was failing to connect to the target system. Okay, I will exit this up for the moment. I will re-log in with, okay, I think there. Okay, here. I'll check out my, I'll see like what's the password. This is the right password, CyberArk 1. I'll click on connect. I'll connect. So initially what happened, like I have given the wrong password when I was given this one. So wrong password was given. Now you can see I'm able to connect to the target machine through PSM successfully. I run ID, I run host name, I run a lot of different commands like uname -a. All the things are being recorded into the command line or keystroke, as well as the video recording is also happening. Now, once it has been done, I'll simply close the session. Now, just to demonstrate you all guys, I will again show the password. and then we'll change the password so that you guys will know that how change works. So here you see change button. I click on the change and I here click on the change again because I want to change the password both in the vault as well as in the server. Okay, change has been scheduled. Change happens usually in 1 minute. That's the normal duration of change to happen. I have configured it in a way, so I'll also show you until we pass the 1 minute time period. I'll show you where the settings are done. If I go here, if I edit it up, you see immediate interval. This defines minimal number of time in the minutes. So every 1 minute, if any password got changed, it will try to change the password on within the 1 minute. So that's what we have already configured. So I'm expecting the password should get rotated within a minute. And to make this happen, my my CPM service should also be up and running. So password change is already done. So if you see here, changed, oh no, it's changed by admin 14. So I have changed password myself. It haven't been changed yet. 321, it's 25 already in place. So we'll wait for a couple of more minutes. However, for the classic interface in the old environment, you can click on that link and you can come here. See, 25 password has changed successfully. So here you see password manager, my CPM user got changed the password successfully. I'll not show you in this. That was a very old UI, so let's not go into that. You will have the better view over here. So you see here, password got changed at 3:18. And now it's 15:26. I think there is some mismatch on the time zone, but I have seen it myself. The password got changed. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's do show. This will give us better idea. No, password hasn't got changed yet. Oh, is it? So now I'll log in into the PVW like CPM server and we'll see why password haven't got changed yet. The CPM server is installed on this IP. Okay, I think this is also good for everyone that being part of a troubleshooting session. So you see here is the CPM service which is up and running. So it should change the password. I'll restart it so that it takes every task in immediate and perform also. So I think I have already done it off. I'll just shut on this one. I'll refresh this one. And in my opinion, now the password should get changed. Okay, the password got changed. So you see password manager name has been coming up. 3:25 is the time. I think just 2 minutes back when the password got hit. I'll just show the password so that everybody is sure. After password change by CPM. See, now we have the complex password. MLEQW and so many things. So it's not easy to remember it all now. So I think now everybody has seen how do we onboard an account, create your own platform, create your own safe, onboard the account, perform the various tasks. You want to change the password, change the password. Reconcile will not work because we did not add the reconcile account at the moment. I'll show you these guys tomorrow. Otherwise, I think we are good for today. I will stop the recording. Yes.